So how can it be that a simple, cheap product that can be bought at any neighborhood drugstore be a huge player in stopping and controlling MS? In my very first video I published, I went into great detail on the importance of REM sleep. While this dream phase of sleep is crucial for repairing myelin, I didn't know the whole story. It's more than just repair of MS. It stops it altogether. There is a gland buried deep in our brains called the pineal gland. In patients with MS, the pineal gland is smaller than normal and doesn't work right. The gland's main function in response to darkness is the release of melatonin. Most of us know melatonin as a hormone that makes us sleepy. And when we are asleep, it takes us into deeper sleep, including REM. But here's the magic of melatonin in MS. Forget the sleepy aspects of it. In an intricate pathway, melatonin has the ability to control the immune system and stop the creation of cells that cause the MS attack and damage. But since my pineal gland doesn't produce enough, if any at all, I need help. I keep a few synthetically sourced melatonin pills on my nightstand when I sleep. It supplements the lost melatonin my pineal gland isn't producing. It's just another easy step I take that led me down this fantastic road of recovery. Don't forget to subscribe.